I thought you were swine flu.
Okay.
Hey, Darren.
Hey, Sean.
Tell you what, though, man, this swine flu thing really got me on edge like a kedge.
Not really sure what that means, but I don't think we have anything to... Yes, please. Anyway, I really don't think we have anything to worry about as long as we're careful.
You don't have to worry about it. Are you gay?
No.
What do you mean we don't have to worry about it? The guy killed like 149 people in Mexico.
Tom, it's not a guy.
Nah, it's a guy.
Who would name someone swine flu?
Flu is a very common Asian last name.
No, Tom, it's a disease, like the flu. Influenza, like what you get during flu season, only it's from pigs and it's mutating.
Disease? I thought it was a guy. Like me. Well, I feel silly now.
You're a f***ing guy, motherfucker!
Oh my god, who are you? What do you want?
I'm swine flu! You don't hear that in your news? I f*** your up hard! I got barely 6 feet deep, motherfucker! And the f***ing swine flu! I f*** your up big time! 1, 2, buckle my shoe! 3, 4, I cut you, whore! 5, 6, I cut up your f***s! 7, 8, you ain't straight! 9, 10, f*** you!
See, I told you it was a guy.
Bullshit!
No, you fucking like that, you motherfucker! Fucking goddamn! Yeah! No!
Oh, hey! You suck! You knuckleheads ain't even worth the effort!
Hacks!
Darren, we're all waiting for you upstairs, man. What are you doing?
Nothing, don't worry about it.
That didn't sound like a real nothing, Darren. What's going on?
Don't really feel like talking about it.
Darren, look, I know you're having a hard time with Liz, man. I get it. I really do. I understand. I feel bad for you. But this is your birthday party. I invited all these people over here to see you and to sing to you. Okay? We got the cake up there. We're all ready to go. We just you know, need you.
Don't really feel like partying that much.
Darren, look, you're a good-looking kid. All right? Good-looking. Really, I mean, you're gorgeous, really. I mean, damn. So you gotta get out of this little depression you got going here, all right? There's plenty of other fish in the sea. There's a million other girls in our school, and you're a good-looking kid. So just, you know, get out of your little depression crevice and into the field of happiness. Go after someone else, okay? Just take your mind off of it. Focus on somebody else because you're a good-looking kid, Darren.
I don't want anybody else, Tom. It's not that simple.
I invited Sarah.
What's it been? A year since I saw her?
Yeah, so come on! You know? Say hi! Touch her butt! I don't care!
Yeah, I'll be up in a little while.
Alright, buddy.
Hey, Tom.
Yeah?
You're a good guy.
What's happening, Forum? Forum, do you like balls? No, I mean big yellow exercise balls, like the one thrown at this girl.
My turn.
Yeah, I know that viral video is kind of old, but you can f*** off. I'm just kidding. No, but I remember seeing this video back in 2007, and I remember thinking, wow, that is the mother of the year right there. And look how happy the little girl is right before she gets hit.
I love ponies and sunshine and... Whoa! Privates!
She has to say privates, because, you know, she's too young to say balls.
Ha ha ha!